Since 1976, communications electronics has been making mission-critical connections for some of the largest public safety agencies, schools, hospitals, and enterprises. As a local single-source distributor and integrator, we are uniquely positioned to provide professional wireless voice, video, and data services across the Mid-Atlantic to help your organization deploy mission-critical solutions and maintain optimal performance of your systems and infrastructure. Communications Electronics Solutions designs and installs wireless end-to-end solutions for on-site and wide-area voice two-way radio solutions, wireless coverage solutions that connect facilities and campuses, integrated security solutions that monitor and safeguard people and facilities, and intelligent transportation systems that optimize traffic safety. As part of our wireless coverage solutions capabilities, we provide comprehensive DAS, or distributed antenna systems, with an emphasis in public safety DAS, as well as cellular, UHF-VHF, and multi-network systems. Recently, Communications Electronics was called upon by a diversified real estate developer located in Washington, D.C., to install a public safety DAS solution for its Riverdale Park, Maryland, mixed-use facility. Communications Electronics collaborated with a trusted global supply chain solutions partner, Wesco, to design and install a 700-800 MHz public safety radio reinforcement solution to cover the Riverdale Park building. We specialize in working with AHJs to ensure your systems meet local specifications, and by partnering with world-class wireless distributors such as Wesco, we help you to get the market-leading technologies and services required for state-of-the-art wireless solutions deployed within your specified time frame. On another project, we were asked to customize a wireless coverage solution for Baltimore County schools that required the design and installation of 3 separate distributed antenna systems: a neutral host DAS to support various cellular carrier requirements and to meet the increased demand to access and download curriculum, a 700-800 MHz public safety distributed antenna system that fulfilled the mandates directed from Baltimore County and the National Fire Protection Agency, and a commercial two-way radio repeater to support the school's UHF in-building solution that ran independently from the public safety DAS. Once again, Communications Electronics partnered with Wesco's wireless experts to develop a comprehensive in-building solution based on the school's floor plan and square footage. The hands-on specialists at Wesco were able to suggest product alternatives for items that had long lead times, obtain registration in order to provide best possible pricing, and consolidate shipping, enabling the entire project to be delivered on time, on budget, and to code. Communications Electronics stands behind all of our in-building wireless coverage solutions, but we also encourage our customers to consider the value of an annual maintenance program to keep your mission-critical systems operating at optimal performance and ensure that you are compliant. From connecting employees and customers and protecting people and facilities to delivering smart transportation systems, our innovative wireless solutions help you to improve productivity and increase safety by connecting you in the moments that matter.